Hello guys, so this is how to tie a bridal egg. First and foremost, you make your gele for 30-70, then you place and make your pleat. You make your pleat. So you ask your client to hold the gele for you while you arrange it at the back. So this is me arranging it from the back. You make the longer part on that and the shorter part on top. You drag it and ask her to hold it. Then you trace your one cm and you place it and use your pin to hold it. See me holding it with pin. You have to use pin very, very well. You have to hold it well with pin. See the way I pinned it 3 times. The beginning, the middle and the last part. Then I start taking my pleat one after the other. You take your pleat, you ask your client or your model to hold it as you are picking it one after the other. The reason why she will be holding it because your 2 hands are working and there's no way you can hold it by yourself and you can't even leave it. So she have to hold it for you. As you make your pleat, you have to gently make your pleat because any pleat you miss, you have to start afresh. So making my pleats one after the other. It's not something you rush. It's something you take your time and make. If you notice, as I'm making my pleat, I'm dragging it up. I'm dragging it up as I'm making my pleats. Now, how to make this plate? You see me picking it now. You take a smaller portion of it and a bigger portion in the middle, then smaller portion again at the ending part. Then gently arrange it and drag it up. See the way I'm doing it? You have to arrange it because if you miss a plate, you start afresh. So you have to gently arrange your plate. Then you see me taking the bigger part up, then a smaller portion of it down. Then as I'm arranging, I'll arrange it properly and I'll make sure that they are lying very well, and I'll ask her to hold it again. Then you take a smaller portion, a bigger portion in the middle, a bigger portion, not too big, just something small, but it's quite big from different 2 sides that you're picking. Then you take it down. See me arranging it. Very, very important to arrange it because if you have been following my page, my channel, you notice that one of the rules I normally say is the beauty of every gele is the neatness of the pleats. So you keep dragging. The essence of dragging it up is for the upper one to go high. If you want it high, you drag it. See the way I'm doing it? Take a smaller portion down. You arrange it very, very well. Then I keep taking it. Please, if you're a new subscriber and you're seeing this video for the very first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please press the notification button so you always get notified anytime I post a new video. So now this is me arranging from the beginning part. I'm arranging it. You notice that I'm dragging it. Yes, the sense of dragging it is for me to make more feathers from that part. Now you notice that as I'm telling my client to hold it from that part, it has started spoiling, so I have to ask my assistant to come and hold it for me so it won't spoil. Now I'll keep dragging it up. Now the pleats and everything is sitting well pretty. This is a gentle process. It's not what you can rush. If you rush it, you make a mistake. So you have to calm down and make your plate look so beautiful. If you notice that this process, I stopped dragging because I needed to arrange that part. I needed to arrange the beginning part, so I didn't drag till I'm done arranging it. You see it, a smaller portion. See the portion? Yes, you have to take a smaller portion. You see me dragging. You know, some styles are not what you rush. You just don't rush it, because if you rush it, you end up making a mistake. So you take your time and tie it, and make sure you didn't miss one line or one plate. Now this is me. You have to have space in the other side in the beginning part so you can be able to make your feathers. Now you look at it. There, I'm done. Then I'll come over to the other side and gently make my feathers too. Now, how to make the feathers? You pick small, then big up. That is how to make it. You pick small, then you pick a bigger version of it up. Like I told you in this style, it's not what to rush. There's no way you can rush it. No matter what, you have to give it your time. For it to look pretty, you have to give it your time and arrange it and make sure everything are lying peacefully. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're coming across this video for the very first time, please. Oh, you saw me arranging this part. I needed to arrange it very well so it will look equal the other part. So now look at our gele now. It's giving already. Not yet done, but it's giving what it should. Now this is the back. When you are done holding everything, you hold it tightly and now twist it. You hold it tightly and twist it using your 1 inch to twist it very, very well. Then now use your pin. Use your pin to hold it. Remember, you don't rush anything here. You have to take your time. You have to take your time. You have to hold it very, very well. Then twist it. So I'm twisting it, and still use pin to hold it. Then I'll now collect the other one. I'll ask her to leave it. Then I will twist it again. You have to start to hold her two here as I pin it again. You see? I have to pin it. Now look at it. This is the final look, then, and the outcome. You see, it's very, very easy. Superly easy. So this is what you can easily do at the comfort of your house. So this is it. Looking so beautiful and glamming and gorgeous. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.